Bubbah.
Bubbah is back. Good to see you, Bubbah. Bubbah is ready for a lot. Wait a minute. Where is Bubbah? Bubbah must be hiding. Let's see if we can find Bubbah. Is he under the table? No. Is he on the table? Yes, there you are, Bubbah. Bubbah, what are you doing on the table? No, no, no. Bubbah is missing again. Is Bubbah hiding in the closet? No, I don't see Bubbah here. Maybe Bubbah is hiding in the bathroom. Okay, opening the door. Is Bubbah in the bathroom? Do you see Bubbah? Not in the sink. Is Bubbah behind the door? No. Maybe Bubbah is behind that curtain. Let's see. Bubbah, are you in here? Hey, there you are, Bubbah. I found you. Bubbah, what are you doing in the bath? Bubbah, you shouldn't be in the bath. Silly, silly Bubbah. Come on, Bubbah. Where is Bubbah hiding now? Bubbah, are you hiding in the microwave? Let me see. Hey, Bubbah, what are you doing in the microwave? Okay, where can Bubbah be hiding now? Oh, I see Bubbah. Bubbah, what are you doing now? Bubbah is moving. I think Bubbah is looking for a new place to hide. Okay, Bubbah, we'll let you hide somewhere, but I think we're going to find you. See you later. Where's Bubbah? Is Bubbah behind here? No. Maybe Bubbah is somewhere else. Maybe behind there? No. What is that lump? Bubbah, are you hiding under that blanket? Let me see. There you are, Bubbah. We found you again. All right, Bubbah, one more chance to hide. I wonder what Bubbah's gonna come up with. Do you see Bubbah? On the couch? No. What about the chair? No, not on the chair. Maybe Bubbah is somewhere else. Is Bubbah under the table? No. And Bubbah is not on the table. I don't see Bubbah anywhere. Let me think. Bubbah is not on the table. He's not on the chair. Can you see Bubbah? Wait a minute! I do see Bubbah! There Bubbah is! Bubbah, that is your best hiding place yet. Great job. All right, Bubbah. Time for bed. Bye-bye, Bubbah.
Bye-bye.